Hello everyone! In today's video, when people messed with the wrong cops, we're diving into real dash cam moments where poor decisions meet instant karma. Get ready for shocking turns and unexpected lessons. After causing 3 consecutive traffic accidents, suspect Batista was spotted driving erratically on Navajo Road. When officers attempted to stop him, he ignored their commands, refused to place his hands on the steering wheel, and would not exit the vehicle. Due to his non-compliance and the clear danger he posed, officers were forced to use physical force to pull him out and restrain him at the scene. A car theft in Portage Bay escalated into a dangerous situation when the suspect attempted to flee in the stolen vehicle. He nearly struck several pedestrians before crashing into a police car. Even after the collision, he continued to run and violently resist, forcing police to use a taser to subdue him. The suspect fled from police despite commands to stop. Shortly afterward, he reappeared standing in the middle of the road to block vehicles, then suddenly engaged in a struggle and grabbed an officer's gun, turning the situation extremely dangerous. Defying commands, endangering public safety, and resisting law enforcement always comes with severe legal consequences. Police responded to reports of a man riding a motorcycle aggressively and disturbing the neighborhood. When officers approached, he continued to resist, and the situation escalated when he advanced toward police while holding a knife. Officers were forced to use stronger measures against him. Defying the law has never ended well.
Somebody called saying you had a gun. Calm down. I'm gonna f***ing circle, motherfucker. All right, calm down. You guys. Put it down. Put it down. What the fuck? Let me get some gloves. Who else is in the house?
Police made contact with a suspect using a weapon and causing a disturbance at the River Club apartment complex in Georgia. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon, he not only refused to comply, but also charged directly at officers, making the situation critical. Officers were forced to use force to restrain him.
Please don't! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down, please! No! Put the knife! Shots fired! Shots fired! Get on the ground, man! Tase him! No! Ah! Shit! He's coming! My God!
Police were called to check on a man found unconscious in his vehicle. After several minutes of knocking on the window, he finally woke up and stepped out. However, when officers instructed him to move away from the car, he suddenly jumped back inside, reversed forcefully, and pinned an officer between the vehicle and a wall, throwing the scene into chaos. In the end, resisting the law is a choice that destroys every remaining chance.
Yeah, can you call me? Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the car!
In Alexandria, Louisiana, what began as a routine traffic stop quickly turned tragic. While officers were speaking with the driver, a sudden struggle broke out. The situation became extremely dangerous when the driver managed to grab an officer's taser. Police were forced to open fire immediately to stop him. Choosing to resist and attack police leads to an irreversible ending. No matter how fast you run, you can't escape the law. This suspect had previously escaped from a pursuit, but this time, no matter how hard he tried to flee again, he could not get away. Martinez was quickly tased and subdued after attempting to run on foot once more.
I want to tase you again. Tase you again.
Smoke bomb southbound.
Resisting and fleeing from police has never ended well, and this time, a pit maneuver by the sheriff said it all. The suspect was quickly taken into custody.
Stop.
He attempted to run from police, but nearby civilians immediately stepped in to help. The criminal was quickly restrained. When the law acts and the public stands together, the outcome is inevitable. Major physical altercation broke out when the suspect deliberately resisted police after committing trespassing. Despite multiple commands, he refused to cooperate, forcing officers to use force to restrain him. The situation escalated rapidly when he suddenly attacked police. Challenging the law only pushed everything beyond control. Even a taser could not subdue him, forcing officers to resort to more aggressive measures. Resisting and attacking law enforcement only leads to more severe consequences.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
A reckless man rammed his car straight into a police vehicle and tried to flee, but he didn't get far before being caught with no excuse left to make. A daring move and a predictable ending.
Stop!
That was stupid, dude.
My head, bro.
That was stupid.
I know you're stupid.
Stop
I can breathe, I can breathe.
You can breathe.
I just got out from work. I'm going naughty, bro. Can you call my mom?
What seemed like a simple traffic stop quickly spiraled out of control. When Officer Cox ordered the driver to step out of the vehicle, the suspect suddenly slammed on the gas and fled. What began as a routine stop turned into a dangerous, high-speed pursuit. Running is never a wise choice. It only makes everything worse. What seemed like a controllable situation turned into a deadly threat in an instant. Attacking law enforcement is never a path to a good ending. Brandishing a knife and threatening officers cost him a heavy price. Thanks for watching. Moments like these show why messing with the wrong cops never ends well. Which clip shocked you most? What would you have done? Comment below.